Welcome to Sabza Cash Generation, where you will be given different types of making money online. Greetings everyone, as I promised in my previous video today, I will give you the complete details on how to make money using your phone on social media platforms, so please watch this video till the end. In this short clip today, I will focus on a cell phone only, because your phone can do it all, so you will need a smartphone, Android system, or Apple system, and the Wi-Fi or data coverage. There are big companies that are paying decent money to people who promotes their products. So if you are serious about making money online, watch till the end. I will give you the details of my YouTube handle accounts. That's where you will find the links to start the way to your financial freedom. I will also put my YouTube link in this TikTok account, so that you can just click it and go straight to my YouTube account. If you are serious about this, just go to this account profile and click into my YouTube link. It will take you straight to my YouTube account. And in my YouTube account, you will find the different links to start making money online. In this pictures, I am showing my YouTube link and the links that you must click as you land on my YouTube account. Please don't hesitate to WhatsApp. Please don't forget to subscribe and also go down to the links. Click to discover the simple ways to make a passive income using only your cell phone. Just go to the links at the bottom and click on them to get more details on how to make money online in different ways.